Making fisherman soup. This is prawns, snails, fish, different type of fish. This is dry fish. This is Ngoor. This is periwinkles. This is Uda Seed, Scotch Bonnet seasoning powder, grounded crayfish, pink sea salt, Uda Seed, stockfish, crayfish, crabs, and this inside here is going to be the Ofor I'm going to use for my thickening. So I'm going to make fisherman soup with all these things you're seeing. So go to my YouTube channel to see the video of the making of the soup. Okay, I'm here to start cooking. I'm going to take us through the step-by-step process of making the fisherman soup. Right now I already have my snail and my crab in the pot. I'm going to leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to add all the ingredients and I will show you the process I'm going to use in making the fisherman soup. Okay. Now I have the snail and the crab. I'm cooking that. I've already seasoned it, so I'm going to add the dry fish and some other ingredients I need to cook before putting the fish. So now I'm going to add the dry fish. So I will start putting up all my seafood together for the fisherman soup. The dry fish is in now. I will add the crayfish. Right now I'm also adding the dry crayfish. You can see that everything is incorporated. Then I'm going to add more water so that it can cook evenly. I'll leave it for some few minutes to simmer. Kindly note that this is already seasoned with seasoning powder and some pink sea salt. Next I'm going to add the crayfish, the Uda seed, and also the Uda seed. Add the pepper, the Scotch Bonnet, already blended. We'll check. I'll check later for the heat to know if the heat is enough. If not, I'm going to add more pepper. So I'm going to add the Ngoor to it. I'm adding the periwinkles. Okay. I'm adding the prawns. So the fish is the last item I'm going to add so that it doesn't break into pieces. So I'm going to add the powdered crayfish. So I'll mix this up, cover it to simmer for a few minutes and come back and add the remaining ingredients, and my fisherman soup is ready. Hey, my fisherman soup is ready. Oh, can you imagine? This soup has life. Different types of seafood inside this soup you are seeing. Whew. Now you need to taste it. The aroma coming out of this pot, I need to get A1 for cooking the soup. For those of you that think it is only a la carte I can cook, I can also make local delicacy. This is coming from the Village Restaurant by Princess OP.